welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to teach IRENE and SEULGI's Naughty. So this hand is going to grab the left hand together and it's going to go closer. So it's going to go boom. And then this hand go around boom. And then it goes shh. Like here, you are hiding your mouth and you go go boom boom. So the together is shoo 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 huh huh huh. Let's practice the leg together. So back and go right and left and right and left and right and left and right. So we're going to have butt together. Your arm is going to drop down like this, and this is the basic of walking. So your hands will always have this. So the palm, and this is the back. So your palm, when you're with your head, your palm always face out. And this arm always face out as well. But because you're dropping down, now your back is facing out. So when you are dragging here, I have both back facing. When I'm up here, I go boom. Now you see my back and my palm here. And then we're going to go boom and right and left and and we have right. Now you need to get this 90 degree here, 90 degree and 90 degree, as much as you can. I know it's hard and it's hurting your wrist. So one more time, 6, 7, 8, and boom, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4. Now the hand is a little tricky. Your leg is on the left. You're gonna switch to here. So you're holding a plate, like you're in the restaurant, and you are going to turn around, face this way, and then put it back here. So when you turn around, you put in. When you go forward, you step out your right leg, right. And then you go back, and then that's where you step on your left. You go left and right, and you still get to your 90 degree angle. Now you're going to go drag it in. Your body's tilting this way, and you drag it back. So boom, 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 boom. So you're here, go down, go back, and now this time you go fan yourself, put your leg together, and go up. It's a little complicated, bear with me. And now you're picking your leg up, put it down, and then you bring it together. When you bring together, right palms from here directly go this way, the back go to the front. Okay? And then from here, you will have your hands go out. And this is tricky. You need to have all your fingers come out, except your thumb, and then cross them together. So you're here, watch my wrist, I twist them, and then it looks like these two fingers touching, and that's the image that you want to get, and you put it here. So after this, we go boom, and that's two. Boom, boom, okay? As much as you can, and then you bring it to the middle. Now we're going to go down on your, right now I'm doing Irene's part, so she put down her right hand first. Right, oh actually together, wrist down. Hands down, like this, but your right hand is more down. And then you switch side. And then she actually grab onto her hands. And then from here, you're going to drag it back. And then your right leg is behind. You sit down and then do this one more time. Okay, let's go from the top to here. 6, 7, 8, and 2, 2, 3, ha, ha, boom, da 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 da, more la and boom, da 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 da, a and choo choo shoo ha ha, boom, da 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 da, more la and boom, da 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 da. All right, now we're going to go after from here. We're going to swipe to the back. Go swipe and then open with your left leg with your left hands together. From here, and you go doom, 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 doom. And then you wait for SEULGI, go boom, boom, up, back, front. Down, and up, and boom, down. And you look to the boom, look to the right, and then you go, come forward. Let's do boom, boom, boom. To the left, and then we go drag, drag, and then we go up, right hands in the front, up, make a diamond, go down, exactly the same move, just go up and down, and then you go post. All right, from here we have the chorus. We go down, up, da, tap, tap, and up, and up, stop there. We're going to go down, around, step, step, step. Your body have this jazz line going back while you are going boom, boom, boom. And then you go all the way around like a fan, jazz line to the other side. Now we're going to drag. Na. Let's go from here. We have na, di, di. Oh, sorry. The butts go na, down, up, down, up, down, up. So you will have na, down, up, down, up, down, up, That's the first chorus, and let's move on to this part. So we have 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, let's stop here. So all together again. 6, 7, 8, and shoom, 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 ha, ha, boom, down, 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 boom, la, and boom, 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 boom. Da, 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 crazy, da, 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 let's go, let's go. Da, 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 ha, SEULGI.